Welcome to Accounting Theory classes. I am Venkatmurthy SG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Monkey. The topic of the session, valuation of inventory under FIFO method, that is first in, first out method. Content of the session, first in, first out method, the concept and meaning, advantages of first in, first out method, disadvantages of first in, first out method. First in, first out method, that is FIFO. The FIFO method follows the principle that materials received first are issued first. When a first lot or batch of material purchased is exhausted, the next lot is taken up for supply. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಫೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸರಕನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೇವೋ ಆ ಸರಕನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲಾಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸರಕು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಆವಾಗ ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಲಾಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. In this method, the earliest lot of material or goods purchased or goods manufactured are exhausted first. Thus, inventories are exhausted in the order in which they are acquired. Therefore, inventory laying unsold or unused at the end of the year belongs to the latest lot, either purchased or produced. Sometimes all the materials tagged with their arrival date and issued in date order, especially with stock that deteriorate. The inventory is priced at the latest cost under FIFO method of pricing the issue. Advantages of FIFO method. FIFO method ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Simple. As FIFO method follows issue of material based on their arrival into the godown, so there will not be any confusion for the issue of the material to the production, as it considers the first in, first out, or the material issued first are of the earlier batches. It proves or represents good inventory management. As the FIFO issues the earliest lot to the production first and the latest lot will be always in the inventory, so it represents good inventory management and it is easy for the store manager to take the stock value in earliest possible time. It is based on realistic assumption that materials are issued in the order of their receipt. The basic assumption of the FIFO itself is on materials are issued in order of their receipt. There is no danger of over or under recovery of cost, as FIFO considers issue of the material received first and keeping the stock of material received at the later stages, and there is no chance for under recovery or over recovery of the cost under FIFO method. This method leads to low cost when the prices are increasing. As and when the price levels are increasing, it issues the earlier lots which are purchased or received at comparatively lesser prices, so it leads to low cost of production in the production centers. Disadvantages. Disadvantages of the FIFO method are as follows. Number one, cost fluctuation in different jobs. According to FIFO method, the materials issued based on their arrival to the firm, but in case of FIFO method, it is difficult to decide the price of the finished product before completion of the production process, as it may absorb different level of cost in production process. It as FIFO method has to be follow the material which are issued first of the earliest lot and which will going to be there in the stock is of latest lot. So there will be different or complicated calculations supposed to be involved for identifying the cost of material used for production. In the period of rising prices, the FIFO method gives more profit and resulted in higher tax liability. As we have discussed earlier, FIFO method during rising prices leads to lesser cost of production, and because of lesser cost of production, the profit of the firm will going to be considerably very high, and which will attract highest tax incidence for the company. It will not reflect recent material prices, as it issued at earliest purchase price. Latest purchase prices of material will always be in the stock, so it will not reflect latest material price for issue of material for production process. Following are the references for today's session. Thank you.